Today, we're diving into the world of glitter cleanup, a task that can often spark not joy, but a little bit of cleaning chaos. But don't worry, we're here to banish those stray sparkles with 10 genius tips that experts swear by. Before we get started, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Our first tip brings a touch of everyday magic to the glitter battle: the lint roller. Simply roll it over any affected surface, from tabletops to floors, and watch as the sticky sheet effortlessly picks up even the tiniest of sparkles. It won't scratch delicate surfaces, making it ideal for cleaning up after craft projects or removing glitter from delicate fabrics. Tear off the used sheet and reveal a fresh, sticky surface ready to tackle the remaining glitter. Our next cleaning companion is the trusty vacuum cleaner, but with a mindful twist. Equip it with a brush attachment to prevent glitter from being blown around by the vacuum's powerful airflow. Move slowly and deliberately, allowing the brush to sweep across the surface and draw in every last speck of glitter. Using the right attachment is key to maximizing the vacuum's cleaning power. For those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies where glitter loves to hide, we turn to the playful world of Play-Doh and sticky tack. Roll a small amount of Play-Doh into a ball and press it onto the glitter-infested area. As you lift the Play-Doh, you'll notice the glitter clinging to it like magic. Sticky tack works similarly, adhering to glitter particles and removing them with ease. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective, as demonstrated by the humble damp sponge. Use a slightly damp sponge, not soaking wet, to avoid spreading the glitter further. Gently dab the sponge onto the glitter, allowing it to adhere to the damp surface. Rinse the sponge frequently to remove accumulated glitter and continue until your surface sparkles. When it comes to trapping even the most stubborn glitter particles, microfiber cloths are a cleaning superhero. The fibers in these cloths create a static charge that acts like a magnet for glitter. Simply wipe the microfiber cloth over the affected area, using gentle back and forth motions. To enhance the microfiber's cleaning power, dampen the cloth slightly. Let's tap into the power of static electricity with a surprising cleaning ally: the simple balloon. Rub an inflated balloon against your hair or a wool sweater to generate static electricity. Hold the balloon close to the glitter-covered surface and watch as the static charge attracts the glitter. This method is particularly effective on large, flat surfaces like floors and tables. In the realm of resourceful cleaning, even a simple coffee filter can be transformed into a glitter-collecting champion. Its lightweight and flexible nature makes it perfect for navigating small areas and tight spaces. Hold the coffee filter over the glitter-strewn area and gently rub it across the surface. The filter's texture will effectively gather the glitter without scratching delicate materials. Sometimes the most effective cleaning solutions are found in unexpected places. Put on a pair of rubber gloves and rub your hands together vigorously to generate static electricity. Once your gloves are charged, simply run your hands over the glitter-covered surface. The static cling will attract the glitter, allowing you to easily lift it away. Let's borrow a tool from the world of beauty to conquer glitter chaos: a soft makeup brush. Choose a soft bristled makeup brush and gently sweep it over the glitter-covered area. For our final tip, we unveil the hidden cleaning power of fabric softener sheets. Take a fresh dryer sheet and rub it over the glitter-covered surface. The sheet's static charge will attract and lift the glitter, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. Congratulations! You've officially mastered the art of glitter cleanup, armed with 10 expert-approved tips to tackle even the most stubborn sparkle situations. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite way to clean up glitter spills? Thanks for stopping in today, and we'll see you in the next episode.